Hi everyone, this is Kimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Barda compilation because why not? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Atake tayo agad-agad mga mami. Ay, ano to?
Ang daming nasa bucket list ko dito. It's my first time to work with Charo, although we've been friends for more than 50 years. And of course, it's a dream to work with Barbie because for me, among the young stars of her generation, she's probably one of the brightest.
Since yung love life mo is super okay, flourishing and all, and then you have a movie, ano daw yung love advice mo sa mga friends mo katulad kina Alden or Barbie?
Ano?
Actually, itong dalawang to, hindi naman kailangan bigyan talaga ng love advice. Actually, ginagawa na nila yung gusto kong love advice sa kanila. Taking their time, loving themselves more, because the more they love themselves, mas maraming pag-ibig ang babalik sa kanila.
Ang ganda ng grabe.
Diba?
Nandun din ba sila sa kasal sa March?
Yes.
God, we can't wait.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Andun pala sila for today's video. Ikakasal pala siya.
Tunan ko sa character ni Concha ni Catherine ay
Ano?
love may be forgotten, love may be forbidden, pero love will always stay, especially when it's true and unconditional. Oo nga, love month nga. My heart is full and my heart is very happy. I really made time for myself. I made plans for Valentine's Day for myself. I'll spend it alone, just like last year, and I'm super happy. I'm surrounded with a lot of good friends. Kung nakita nyo, ang sipag ko na ulit tumakbo kasi ang dami ko ng mga kaibigan na nagyaya sa akin tumakbo, and it brings me so much joy na nakaka-inspire din kami ng iba to have a healthier lifestyle. Travel, yes, pero for a bit. I'm gonna attend my friend's wedding lang. Pero
My friend's wedding. Yung pala yun, yung kanina. Okay. Ang dami interviews dito na ngayon ko na napanood. Okay. Ganda talaga ni Barbie.
Maraming tatanong hopefully a reunion naman with Barbie soon. Soon.
Yeah, ako naman.
Yeah.
Siyempre gusto ko naman siyang katrabaho talaga.
Kinilig. Message yun na lang sa mga fans.
Kinilig si Sir
burden
Jacob.
na panahon.
Hindi mo kaya.
Sa mga fans, sana supportahan niyo yung Never Say Die. Marami po kayong aral na mapupulot dito. And sana mag-enjoy kayo.
Nakita niyo po ba si Catherine?
Pero alas na lang, kasi may mga hula barbs na magkakaroon ka ng love life this year. Oo, pero nasa sayo raw yun kung tatanggapin mo or hindi. So open ka ba? Open
Ito mga hula-hula.
Yes, I am open naman. Wala namang problema.
Wala pa din post about sa TikTok kay Barbie Fortesa. Ako na lang kaya. Chares. Ako na lang ang mag-post. Gusto nyo?
Ang saya eh. Ang saya ng pakiramdam na may nagmamahal sa'yo.
Ay.
Na alam mo sa sarili mo capable ka to love, to give love, and to receive love.
Ay, parang nagkwento siya about sa Prince Charming niya. Ladies and gentlemen, ang Prince Charming niya is straight. Okay. Wait lang. Manood na tayo dito. Wala pa talaga. Wala pa yun sa TikTok ni Barbie Fortesa. Totoo ba? Bakit wala pa? Ay, ano to? Ay. Ay, the full interview. Can we watch this?
Hello, welcome. Thank you. Second time ulit sa but this time, to on Beauty Empire na yun naman. Grabe casting. Kasama mo Miss Charo Santos, ito po sa Anson. Tell us about the movie and your role.
Ang role ko po sa amin, hindi ko lang until she remembers.
Okay.
Struggling
Ito
high
na.
school student na medyo
Struggling
kulang
high school
sa
student.
pagkalinga, galing sa pamilya, kulang sa pagmamahal. And so, she is in search of the true meaning of love. And so, yun ang aming pelikula, yung journey ng isang 16-year-old girl as to how she would discover different forms of love.
So, yung character mo in search for the true meaning of love.
Yes.
Ikaw ba nahanap mo na in real life the
Oh
true meaning
yes,
of love?
matagal na. And I'm very grateful to say that dahil magmula naman nung bata ako, hindi nagkulang ang mga magulang ko
I love
at mga
it.
nagmamahal sa akin na iparamdam sa akin ang true meaning of love.
Tapos pag-Valentine's, kamusta naman ang puso ni Valentine's? Kamusta naman ang puso ni Barbie Fortesa?
Okay na okay.
Is it under renovation, ready for occupancy, or
Grabe.
fine na.
Well, I have to say that I am very confident with myself. My cup is always full, always ready to give love. But this Valentine's Day, I'm so happy to ibuhos lahat ng pagmamahal sa sarili ko. I will spend my Valentine's Day alone again, just like last year.
Parang hindi naman.
Oh, promise talaga.
Blooming na blooming. Self-love lang po yan.
Ako, tulog lang po at movie. Charot.
So what's the biggest love lesson you've learned so far?
The biggest love lesson that I have learned is that, especially from this movie that we did, is that you can love from a distance, pero it doesn't mean that you love the person any less.
Oh, I am profound. And what love advice naman do you find hard to follow?
Is to love unconditionally, I feel like, because masyadong maraming circumstances and masyadong maraming kailangang i-consider when you love. And so, when you finally give that kind of love to someone na talagang importante sa'yo, talagang feeling ko yun na yung rurok ng pagmamahal para sa akin. So, feeling ko, giving and receiving unconditional love is the highest form of love.
And what kind of guy would make you want to fall again?
Siguro yung someone that would make me feel like a kid again. Kasi ngayon na medyo 30 na po tayo at marami ng responsibilidad. Yes, so na parang I always have to be this strong, independent woman. So yun, yung someone that could make me feel like a kid again, na parang I could really, yes, put my walls down, ganyan, that I could feel safe with him.
Sayang yung background music kasi panoorin sa natin.
When I interviewed Tita Poots, hanggang all praises siya sa'yo.
Salamat po, salamat.
What was it like
Grabe talaga, no? Alam mo, I have to be honest with you. Ang respeto nila ngayon pagdating kay Barbie Fortesa compare before, ibang-iba. Aminin ninyo. Aminin ninyo yan. Kahit hindi rin mga artista, kahit ibang tao din, ang tingin nila kay Barbie ngayon, sobrang taas na. I mean, the respect.
Always full of respect, and her beauty is timeless.
Her beauty is timeless. Sana all.
Parang pwede kayo mag-ina.
I can only dream.
Parang nakikita mo rin sarili mo when you're 81.
Oh my gosh, sana I could be as graceful and iconic as Miss Sasa.
I'm sure you're on the way there. But it's about lesbians, so yung
There is a layer of, kasi nga we are tackling different forms of love.
not just that.
Yeah, so yun talagang yung hindi tinitignan ang kasarian pagdating sa pagmamahal, di ba? One layer of, kasi nga we are tackling different forms of love.
Not just that.
Yeah, so yun talagang yung hindi tinitignan ang kasarian pagdating sa pagmamahal, di ba?
One love fits all.
Yes, exactly.
Pero hypothetical, would you be open to a lesbian relationship or talagang for the boys ka lang? Ako with all due respect, ako for the boys lang ako.
Well, I do support the community,
Ah,
the
yes.
LGBT community, but personally, ang Prince Charming ko
Ang
po
Prince
ay
ay
straight guy.
straight guy. Ang Prince Charming ko po ay straight guy.
And what kind of guy would make you want to
Since yung love life mo
Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Kimo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!